Today we will learn about the sound of the letter E, good words and moral of the lesson from the story of Effie the elephant. Hello children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami.
Hello teacher. Hello friends.
Get ready to learn about the 26 letters in the English alphabet. Today we will learn about letter E. So let's start. As you know children, every letter has a different sound. Letter E is a vowel and it has two sounds. To make you understand it better, here is the story of Effie the elephant. Effie the elephant was very naughty but also loved to help the other animals in the jungle. Effie's friend Dove had made a nest in a big tree. One day, Mama Dove went in search of food, leaving her 2 eggs in the nest. Tito the almond lived in the hollow of that tree. As soon as Mama Dove left the nest, Tito slowly climbed the tree to grab the eggs. Effie, however, was already there to guard the nest. Effie frowned at Tito, who started climbing down the tree in a hurry and hurt his ankle. Tito started screaming, eh, and once again hit himself in the hollow of the tree, never to trouble the dove again, knowing that Effie is always there to protect them.
Tito the almond screamed,
Yes, the short sound of letter E is eh. Egg. Elephant. Elbow. The long sound E. Eagle. Engine. Earrings. Let us learn some good words from the lesson. Frown, to look angrily. Trouble, problems or difficulties. Protect, to keep somebody or something safe. Screamed, to cry out loudly. Let us understand the moral of the story. Have you seen children how Effie the elephant protected the eggs of the dove from the hands of naughty ermine? We should be kind and noble like Effie the elephant. One should be selfless and have concern for the well-being of others. So children, be positive, be kind and be helpful. It goes a long way. Thank you.
Dear friends, please watch our previous episodes of Let's Learn with Monami, sound of the letter E. Thank you. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our channel.
Yes. So see you in our next class. Till then, bye.
Bye friends.